Okay, so to ask what time it is, you say Je an uarahaya. Je an uarahaya. Je an uarahaya. So uar means hour. Je an uarahaya. And you know the rest. So an uar, that means hour. Je an uarahaya. So the answer is Hai Nuoren. So we had this Nuoren today. Hai Nuoren. Okay, so Uar is hour. Uaren, hours. So we use Uar and Dauer. So 2 Uar with 1 or 2 o'clock. And then the rest is Uaren. 3 Uaren, K Uaren. And so on and so forth. Okay. Now Minach, Minachen. So Minach is minute, Minachen, minutes. Okay. Now as J, or An J, you will see An J later on in the book as well. It's the same thing, means past or after. Okay. Kashchel is J. Kashchel as J. Kashchel means quarter. Quarter past. So, Kashchel as J. Quarter past. Fiat minute as J. Fiat minute as J. So after fiat, we don't say minute. Fiat minute as J. 20 past. Okay, le uad as J. Le uad as J. So half past. Le uad. Le means half. So le uad as J, half past. So good. Now we come to 2. So good means 2 or until. Okay. Kashchil good. That's quarter to. Fihet minute good. That's 22. Mian la. Mian la. Mian means middle. La, we had this word today in the vocabulary. Mian la. So noon or midday. Okay, mian aiche. Mian aiche. You know this word, aicheva. Yeah. Mian means middle, so midnight. Okay, you already know this one, aunsavating. Aunsavating. So it means in the morning, but can also mean AM. Fesca, again, you already know this word. And apart from meaning afternoon, it also means PM. Okay, fat and la, all day. Fat and la, all day. Okay, and last one, fat na haiche. Fat na haiche. Okay. So you know this the word aiche. So fat na haiche, all night. Okay, that's it.